This is ERi-TV. Dear viewers, welcome to English News Broadcast for today, Thursday, July 4 at 10:30 p.m. local time. I'm Bersaba Takhle, your reporter, and following are the major headlines for today. Public diplomacy conducted by diaspora nationals. Excavation of archaeological heritage in Eritrea area. Around 40 killed in attack on central Mali village. And Etna roars with spectacular cascades of lava. On your domestic reports, nationals residing in the U.S. city of Dallas and in the German city of Hamburg conducted public diplomacy activities. Mr. Burhana Gebrahiwat, charge d'affaires at the Eritrean embassy in the U.S., conducted a seminar for nationals in Dallas on 30 June. During the seminar, Mr. Burhana provided an extensive briefing on the current situation in the homeland and developments in the region. He also urged the nationals to enhance their professional and economic capacities and to strengthen their organizational capacity and participation in national development efforts. Mr. Burhana emphasized that Eritrea is engaging constructively with partners to realize a new world order that benefits all peoples. He called on nationals residing in the USA to increase their awareness and contribute to this emerging global order. He noted that preserving and strengthening the independence and national sovereignty achieved through significant sacrifice is the responsibility of every citizen. He commended strong resilience and contributions of diaspora nationals and urged them to continue their support. Similarly, nationals in Hamburg, Germany, conducted a seminar focusing on the progress of national development programs and strengthening resilience and organizational capacity. Speaking at the event, Mr. Kibra Abtakheste, Eritrea's Consul General in Frankfurt, highlighted the strong resilience of the Eritrean people in foiling external hostilities and hegemony over the past 80 years. He noted that the values inculcated have preserved Eritrea's sovereignty, free political stance, and unity. Mr. Kibrav also called on the nationals to enhance their unity, organizational capacity, and participation in national affairs. The participants in turn expressed their conviction to strengthen their organizational capacity and unity and to play their part in national affairs. The meeting in Hamburg was attended by nationals from various German cities. An excavation of archaeological heritage has been conducted in the area of Ma'al Arha in Eritrea in Nahaili subzone in collaboration with the Commission of Culture and the Southern Region Administration. Dr. Abraham Zerai, the archaeologist at the Commission of Culture and Sports, indicated that the archaeological finding was discovered during the construction of a dam in the area. The discovery included human remains and ceramics. Dr. Abraham also mentioned that additional studies are needed to determine the age of the archaeological findings. Commending the residents for their initiative in informing the concerned institutions about the findings and their keen interest in preserving ancient heritage, Mr. Gebre Mikael Gebreselassie, an archaeologist at the Department of Culture and Sports in the region, called on others to do the same if they come across heritage items in their areas. Eritrea is located 7 kilometers south of the Mendefera-Adjwala road. On your last domestic report, the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students in the Southern Region organized Youth Organizations Week from 29 June to 2 July under the theme Awareness, Our Weapon, Our Strength, Our Organization. The event was attended by over 300 youth from the Forestry and Crops Corporation across the 12 subzones of the region. Youth Week included activities such as general knowledge competitions, innovation and creativity showcases, talent displays, literature, acting, painting, and a fashion show. Mr. Girmay Gabru, head of the union branch in the region, stated that the objective of the program was to develop the awareness and understanding of the youth, and he expressed that similar programs will continue to be organized. Mr. Habtaab Tesfatian, governor of the region, noted that the program demonstrates the high level of awareness among the youth. He called on all concerned institutions to strengthen their participation and contribution to future programs. Mr. Saleh Ahmeddin, chairman of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students, also emphasized the importance of organizing similar programs at the administrative area level. This marks the sixth time that Youth Organization Week has been organized in the southern region. Dear viewers, do stay tuned for your international reports and more after the short break. Welcome back. Unidentified armed men have killed around 40 people in an attack on a village of insurgent-plagued central Mali, local officials said on Tuesday. The attack took place on Monday in the village of Dijigi Bombo in the Mopti region, one of several areas in Mali's north and center where jihadist groups linked to Al-Qaeda and Islamic State have been active for over a decade. The officials do not identify the attackers and no group has yet claimed responsibility. It was not possible to reach the army spokesperson for a comment. Violence has spiraled in West Africa's Central Sahel region since the insurgencies took root in Mali and spread into neighboring countries such as Burkina Faso and Niger, killing thousands of people and displacing millions more. On today's final report, Etna's chasm crater was back in action on Tuesday after 4 years of silence, with vigorous explosions and glowing shreds coming out from the top of the volcano. At around 3,000 meters of altitude, the volcano showed off a spectacle of its unusual Strombolian activity, with a majestic cascade of lava with magma flowing inside the new crater called Bocca Nova, new mouth in Italian. The volcanic activity from the two crates on the new cone has progressively intensified, allowing the cone to grow very rapidly. Etna and Stromboli are the most explosive volcanoes due to the composition of the magma, and they can erupt more explosively due to minute variations in the chemical composition of their magma. The 3,330-meter-high volcano Mount Etna, Europe's tallest active volcano, is believed to have the longest documented history of eruptions among all volcanoes, with records dating back as early as 425 before Christ. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a quick recap of the major headlines. Public diplomacy conducted by diaspora nationals. Excavation of archaeological heritage in Eritrea area. Around 40 killed in attack on central Mali village. And Etna roars with spectacular cascades of lava. That was it for today, dear viewers. Thanks for watching and enjoy the remaining of our programs.